effort and unwavering quest for wisdom. This wisdom,
Honorable Mayor Judici Namante, our Cabanatuan City Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Imelda N. Sabornido, Reverend Father Mark J. Tresilias, and Mr. Earl de la Victoria, to the College and Basic Education faculty, commence this ceremony in the grace and love of Jesus and Mary. Let us embrace the spirit of celebration, camaraderie, and optimism that define this.
By the power vested on me as a Dean of College of Teacher Education of Candelaria Institute of Technology, it is my great honor and pride to present the candidates for graduation leading to the degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education, majors in English and Social Studies for academic year 2023-2024.
The authority vested in me as school president and as superintendent of the Diocese of Butuan Educational System, and after having heard the recommendation of our academic coordinator and the dean, I hereby confirm and declare you graduates. Congratulations.
By virtue of the authority vested upon me as the school principal of Candelaria Institute, it is my honor to present our school president, Reverend Father Marlon A. Lacan, and to our schools division superintendent, Dr. Imelda N. Sabornido, the grade 12 graduates for the school year 2023 to 2024.
K-12 basic education curriculum set forth by the Department of Education, Caraga Administrative Region.
Me as the authorized representative of Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Imelda N. Sabornido, and having been presented by your principal and recommended by the school president, I now, with that 87 male candidates for graduation as well as 87 number of female candidates for graduation, I now confirm you graduate of Senior High School of CITC. Congratulations.
In English, male, Makiso Alvin Lawag. Ella May Dahlia. Jessamine Martinez. Marquez April Joy Kita. Her major in Social Studies, male, Sir Andrew J. Corpus. Srinanti John Laguren. Jacqueline Rhea Bandiola. Munoz. Ginahon Roland Cabanan.
Verdudazo. Hermosa Mikey Anino. Humanities and Social Sciences. Female. Starting with Caballero Gio Francisco. Cadorna John Stephen Swan. Vincent Caberte. Starting with Amisola Jamila Bryce Mariboho. Cabanya Ayun.
Alipa Earl John Yuba. Bermudez Earl John Montano. Montero Hannah Joy Revisano. Morales Ronchi
Gagno Randel Canonio.
Grateful Archangel Rafael. Children Middle Art Clothing. Male, starting with Abelia Axel John Rasunabe.
Wala ba yung ads? Ano pansin? Wala lagi ads.
Biray Nathaniel Batulan. Pilarios Ivan Biray. Sigues Chris Melton Valiera. And Timusan Prince Joseph Chavez. Gagno Ralph Cananeo.
Even during her marriage with the former governor and Congressman Earl V. John M. Amante, she has always been financially independent and has not been fully reliant on her husband in providing for her kids. As speaker for this very memorable and significant occasion, a proud Candelarian from the class of 1995 and the city mayor of Cabadbaran, the capital city of Agusan del Norte, Honorable Judy Chin Amante.
Thank you for the very generous introduction. Magmaulo, masad ko, ani. Maing hapon sa ato tanan, maing kundata. Ang ako sa pagtahod sa atong school president and superintendent, Reverend Father Marlon A. Lacal, Sir. Cabadbaran City Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Imelda N. Sabornido. Cluster Schools Head, Reverend Father Mark James C. Priscillas. CITCI Spiritual Director, Reverend Messenger Ruel S. Lasco. And nalipay-bot ko kay napag ko'y anak ng graduate karong June 23. So makarelate din ko kayo and congratulations daan sa atong tanan. Standing in front of this batch of strong-willed and resilient young men and women, all happy and proud,
Honorable Judy Chinamante for the takeaway message of our graduates and for all the Candelarians. Undoubtedly, your message is relevant to the graduates, the class Combate. At this juncture, we shall now have the awarding of plaque to our commencement speaker, and may I call on Reverend Father Marlon A. Lacal, together with Mrs. Amy Villanong for the awarding of plaque. The citation goes. She receives the following awards. First, in Academic Performance Award, Silver Medalist, Best in Teaching Demonstration, Best in Instructional Materials, Best in Classroom Management Award, Best in Research Award, Leadership Award, Creative and Innovative Intern Award, World Turnout Intern Award, Appreciative Intern Award, Congenial Intern Award, and Service Award. Namaste, Jessamay Martinez, third in Academic Performance, Best in Classroom Management, Best in Research Award, Leadership Award, and Innovative Intern Award, World Turnout Intern Award, and Scholarship Grantee. Ginahon Rolling Cabana, fifth in Academic Performance Award, Bronze Medalist, Lead Award, Congenial Intern Award, and Scholarship Grantee. Ginahon Jevon Cabalad, ninth in Academic Performance Award,
Social Sciences. Okno Jason James Mingito, with high honors. High honors. Best in Communication Art. Erica Loris, with Agapay Humphrey Miles P, with high honors, Best in Science. Sanko Kent Valerie G, with high honors. Jasmine B, with high honors. Ilano K. B, Best in Immersion. Ganzan Milton Grace B, Best in Physical Education.
Your name. Ng Candelaria Institute Alumni Association. Ay taimtim na nanunumpa. Natutuparin ko na buong husay at katapos sa abot ng aking kakayahan.
Please be seated for the acknowledgement.